In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Air product reviews on Shopify. If you sell products on Shopify, customer feedback can make a big difference. Product reviews help shoppers feel confident, and they can also improve how your store looks and performs. In order to add Air product reviews to your Shopify store, you will start from the Shopify admin area and install the Air app. First, open Shopify admin. When you are logged into your Shopify account, go to the main administrative dashboard. This is the place where you manage products, customers, themes, and apps. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct store and that you can see the left-hand navigation menu or the main admin panels. Once you confirm you are in the admin view, you are ready for the next step. Next, go to Apps. In the admin dashboard, look for the section that controls applications. Depending on your Shopify layout, you may see a menu item labeled Apps, or you may find it in a broader Apps and Sales area. The goal here is to reach the page where you can browse and install new Shopify apps. This matters because the Air Product Reviews solution is added through the Shopify app ecosystem. Now, once you are on the app screen, you will search for Air. There is typically a search field where you can type keywords. Click inside the search box and search for Air. As you do this, keep an eye out for the Air app result that shows a blue icon. This visual cue helps you make sure you are selecting the correct app, not a different reviews tool. This step is important because installing the wrong app can lead to setup issues later. After you find the correct app, click Chat and then Install. The wording in the interface can vary slightly, but the process is the same. You will open the Air app listing and then move to the installation option. When you click Install, Shopify will prepare the app for your store. You may be asked to confirm certain permissions. Read through anything that appears on screen so you understand what the app is being allowed to do. Then proceed with the installation prompt. While the app is installing, you can continue to watch the screen for progress. Shopify may take a moment as it connects the app to your store. If you notice a loading bar or a confirmation message, simply wait until the installation finishes. Do not close the page too quickly, because you want the app to be fully set up before moving on. Once the install is complete, you have successfully added the Air Product Reviews capability to your Shopify environment. At this point, the key achievement is that the app is now available and ready to be configured inside Shopify. Even though today's instructions focus on installation, installing correctly is what ensures the reviews feature works as expected in the storefront. To summarize what you just did, you opened Shopify admin, went to Apps, searched for the Air app, and selected the one with the blue icon, and then clicked Install to add it to your store. That is the essential foundation for using Air product reviews on Shopify. That covers everything you need to know.